It is time for the X-Game console. Let's test out some arcade gaming. Hey, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and today's video we are going to test out the NeoGeo part of the X-Game console. Let's check out how does it work. Alright, the first game we're going to try out is Cadillacs and Dinosaurs. Alright. Nice, nice. Wow. Come on, boy. Oh, don't be the tough guy. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Ooh, can I keep the dynamite? Oh yeah. Here, take some dynamite. Can I blow you up? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I got myself a shotgun. Oh yeah. Ooh, extra bullets. Nice. No, no, no. Oh yeah. I just gonna break the statue. Yeah, I'm here. Oh. Oh yeah. The big guy's mine. Come on. I must say, it seems to be that the X-Game is running the game just fine. So, let's try out another game. It is time for some King of Fighters 96. Ooh, little stuttering. The sound is a little bit off. Ooh. Yeah, just choose some character, doesn't matter. Just want to play the game. Ooh, the sound is horrible. Oh, now it seems to be running fine. But yeah, it's got, whoa, a really poor frame rate. I can't hear it. No, 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 next game, next game. Let's try out another NeoGeo game, Neo Drift Out. Yeah, I understand. Just, yeah, doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm A, whatever. Shooting the Celica. Practice stage. Oh, we're going to need that one. It sounds a little bit better than King of Fighters. Oh, I played this game a lot as a child. It's really cool. Oh, going to need to practice stage a lot of... I need to raise the stage just not only once. Man, I really suck at this game. Woo! The sound is a little bit better in this game. This frame rate is way better. Left. Oh yeah, getting the hang of this. It's a fun game to play. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Whoppa. Whoop, whoop. Checkpoint, yeah. It's a really fun game, and yeah, it seems to be running just fine. So let's try out another game. Alright, let's try my favorite game, of my favorite Street Fighter game of version Super Street Fighter 2. Sound is not bad. Oh, my favorite soundtrack. I I cannot do any moves with this freaking D-pad. Alright. The analog stick is way better. Alright, where's the punch button? Oh, here it is. And the music is not bad at all in this game. I'm a really soundtrack junkie, by the way. He just freaking grabbed me when I'm doing my move. Oh wait. Ow! Ow! Here, take a ball yourself. Come on, boy. Come on. Bring it on. Official, I suck at this game. Alright, let's try out another game. I am done with you. So let's try out another Street Fighter game. This time I'm going to test out Street Fighter 3, Alpha 3, and wow, it's lagging as shit, man. It's ruining the freaking game. Street Fighter 2 was just running fine, but this version is freaking horrible. Oh, it stopped stuttering again. Oei. Alright, how is the gameplay? No, it is not running as we should expect from this game. Or in other words, it's not horrible. Now it's not laggy anymore, so what's up with that? Now it's really playable. And it's running good frame rates. Oh no, lagging sometimes. Just listen to the soundtrack. Alright, come on, boy. The sound is freaking horrible. The frame rate is decent. I see some screen tearing here and there, but I wouldn't say this game is unplayable, but yeah, let's be honest. Is the soundtrack horrible? That ruins the experience for me. Yeah, I just ran a road to get beat up by me. And I just wanted to play this game that I remember as a child. Oei! It's freaking lagging! It's playable, but the frame rate is not good at all. Alright. Horrible. Horrible. So for the final conclusion about the NeoGeo or the arcade games. I can tell you already, it's freaking horrible. And why I'm saying horrible is that the games, there are some games that are playable, like the Neo Drift game, it just works fine. Maybe it depends a little bit of how graphical the game is, but in overall, if you want to play all those games, the Ace Game Console, I cannot recommend it. It's a pretty horrible system because it doesn't run all the games perfectly. Yeah, Street Fighter does work, Street Fighter 2, but Alpha is laggy as shit. And yeah, so I hope you have a better idea of what you're going to get when you want to play NeoGeo games or arcade games on this thing. Overall, I don't recommend it. No. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the little bell if you want to get notified. And I want to thank you for watching again. Bye bye.